Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hi guys, here we are again fixing a bathroom. They've already bought the toilet, the tub, and the surround. Looks like the tub's been opened up before and they repackaged it. This is a steel tub. Means it'll be tough enough, it's just, it will be cold. Scratch the floor. Looks like now the support it has is foam also, but this is not going to break like a regular fiberglass tub because that's not there. It might tilt, but we see if we can't influence things. Let's measure and make sure we're 54. This is 54. The skirt is on, so it's a right-hand tub, so the drain is on the right-hand side, so that we need to know where I can do it the easy way. Roll this over. I need to locate, I have to reposition the drain because it was a center drain. So, it's about 15 inches from the back wall. And let's come over here. It's about 8 inches from the wall where the faucet is. There. 8 is there. More perfect. We're going to open up the floor in this area because it was not originally here, but that happens to be pretty close to where the floor joist is. There's that noise again the lady was talking about. So anyway, we're going to cut out a section here so that where the trap was over here, the trap has to be here now. So we're going to rearrange some things here and we'll show you what we do. get a hammer and knock that out.
Oh, you didn't cut the other side.
This has been cut right here. Let's get a hammer. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Ameri-can'ts, we're Ameri-can'ts. See you next time.